Specialization, Trade, and Comparative Advantage by Tess, Tobin, and Erica.
What is comparative advantage? Tess and Erica are about to bake for a bake sale when Tess's snarky brother, John, asks what each girl is going to specialize in and what their comparative advantage is. Only problem is, the girls have no clue what that means.
So, what is comparative advantage? The theory of comparative advantage is an economic theory about the potential gains from trade for individuals, firms, or nations that arise from differences in their factor endowments or technological process. In an economic model, an agent has comparative advantage over another in producing a particular good if he can produce that good at a lower relative opportunity cost, i.e., at a lower relative marginal cost.
Blech, that's too complicated. So basically, comparative advantage is when one person can make/produce a commodity with.
Wait, what is opportunity cost? The loss of potential gain from other alternatives when one alternative is chosen. Idle cash balances represents an opportunity cost in terms of loss.
Ah, Erica, what should each one of us make?
Well, at least now we know some basic macroeconomic principles.
Yeah, but what do we do?
I think we need to see how quickly we can make our stuff and how much each recipe produces.
Okay, let's make some cookies and cupcakes. Okay, so for input, it took Tess 25 minutes to make cookies and 35 minutes for Erica to make cookies. And for cupcakes, it took Tess 1 hour or 60 minutes and Erica 45 minutes.
Who has the absolute advantage in cookies? A. Tess, B. Erica, C. Willa, and D. Faye. Tess has the absolute advantage in making cookies because she can make them in a shorter amount of time than Erica.
Who has comparative advantage in cookies and in cupcakes? For cookies, that'd be Tess, and for cupcakes, that'd be Erica.
Wait, what? How? Because we are dealing with time to make the goods, we are dealing with input. For the input method, the foregone number goes in the denominator. For Tess in cookies, the foregone number is 60 minutes and 25 minutes for cupcakes. Therefore, for cookies, it's 0.416, and for cupcakes, it's 2.4. For Erica, it's the same situation, getting her 0.778 and 1.29.
So to continue, now that we've found the comparative advantage values, we put them in a chart just for clarity, and we can visually see when looking at cookies that 0.416 is lower than 0.778. So we know that Tess has comparative advantage because she has a lower value, and for cupcakes, 0.129 is lower than 2.4. So we know that Erica has comparative advantage in cupcakes.
Who should specialize in cookies? A. Tess, B. Erica, C. John, D. Mr. Rosenzweig. Because in the chart before, Tess has the absolute advantage, or the comparative advantage in cookies, therefore.
So who should specialize in cupcakes? A. Tess, B. Erica, C. Amber, or D. Lauren. As we have previously determined, Erica has the lowest opportunity cost for cupcakes, so therefore, plus she has absolute advantage, so therefore she should. Ha! The girl said, we figured it out. We calculated what comparative advantage is, and we figured out what we should specialize in. No, you didn't, quipped John. You forgot to take into account out. Okay, so in outputs, here actually.
Tess, in 1 hour, Tess can make 40 cookies, Erica can make 30 cookies. In 1 hour, Tess can make 18 cupcakes, and Erica can make 24 cupcakes.
So who has absolute advantage for each category? For cookies, that's going to be Tess because 40 is greater than 30. And for cupcakes, that's going to be Erica because 24 is greater.
Who has comparative advantage in each baked good? For cookies, it's Tess, and for cupcakes, it's Erica. But how do they know? What is each girl's opportunity cost?
Okay, so this time, because we're doing output, we are putting the foregone number in the numerator. So for Tess, she, when making cookies, is giving up 18 cupcakes, so it's 18 over 40, which is 0.45. And for cupcakes, it's the reverse, so 40 over 18, which is 2.22. And for Erica and cookies, it's 24 over 30, which is 0.8. And cupcakes is 30 over 24, which is 1.2.
Comparative advantage in specialization. Who has comparative advantage in cupcakes? A. Tess, B. Erica, C. Brianna, or D. Robert Bauer. As you can see in the chart, Erica makes cupcakes in 1.25, which means she has comparative advantage.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Who should specialize in cookies? A. Tess, B. Erica, C. Emily, or D. Tommy. The answer is A, because Tess has the comparative advantage, she should specialize.
So in conclusion, comparative advantage is a good way to decide who should specialize in what, because it takes into account opportunity costs. Comparative advantage is determined by lower opportunity costs, and opportunity cost is basically what one gives up.